Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell domain on Godaddy. So if you want to sell domain on Godaddy auction, this is a good guide on how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to log in onto your Godaddy account, then navigate to the action section, then click on sell and select the list a domain. After that, enter the domain name you want to sell and confirm it. Once you confirm it, then select type of auction. For example, you can select the 7 days public auction or more than that in your auction section. Then after that, fill in the details like starting bid, the vast price, and description. Once you set that, then review the information and publish your listing. Once you do that, if your domain is registered with Godaddy, it will be verified automatically, but if not, follow the verification step to verify your domain. And after that, check the status of your auction on Godaddy's auction. After that, once your domain is sold, you will receive the payment through Godaddy, and that's how to sell domain on Godaddy's auction domain. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.